Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have a really fun product to try out. This is from the brand TANAIS, which I'm not familiar with and I think is a relatively new brand, at least to makeup. When I was looking this brand up online, I didn't see too many products from this brand yet, but this is the Sunset to the Stars Lip Oil Duo. It's cruelty-free and vegan, and it has a retail value of $50. So I am really excited to be able to try out a very high-end product, but I got it in my June 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I'm getting to try this out for such a great deal. If you have not seen my unbagging of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But so the shades that I got are Mahina Moon TANAIS, which is this really pretty bronzy gold, and Plumeria Petals, which looks beautiful. They both look like they have some really pretty sparkle to them. So before I apply them to my lips, I want to go ahead and swatch them. Ooh, very pretty, and I noticed such a nice smell. It smells like coconut, which I think this has nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil, which I love a nourishing lip product. So that's really pretty. When I first saw this, I was like, oh, is that shade gonna look okay on me? But it's actually very sheer with some sparkle and a lot of shine. So I think that will actually be very easy to wear. And then let's see how this one looks. I also like the little doe foot applicator and the square packaging I really like. Oh, whoa. A lot more color to that one than I was expecting. Yeah, has the same smell. It kind of reminds me of like a tropical vacation with that coconut smell. These swatch really beautifully. Here are what those swatches look like. Look at how shiny. I really want to see how both of these look. So I'm going to swatch both of them on my actual lips. So first I'm going to go in with Mahina Moon. I love the feel of this on my lips. A nice thick gloss. When I hear lip oil, I assumed it was going to be a really thin, liquidy formula, but it's pretty glossy. Oh my gosh, and this looks so pretty. It really does just look sheer, like my natural lip color, but a lot of shine, beautiful shimmer, but very small shimmer, so there's no grittiness, and it doesn't look too like obviously sparkly. Just very flattering. I think this would be a beautiful lip topper as well, but I love how it looks on its own. And it really does feel so immediately hydrating, nourishing. My lips look super hydrated and smoothed out. Love this. This is seriously exactly what I look for in a lip gloss. The type of lip gloss that I wear every day, so I know I'm gonna get really good use out of this one. And then I'm just gonna remove it and go in with the shade Plumeria Petals. Oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. I love the color. It's such an enhancing tint. It looks so beautiful. And the formula, it's the same as the other gold one. So moisturizing, so comfortable, not at all sticky, really shiny, a little shimmery. Oh my gosh, I love how this looks. Wow, I am so glad I got 2 shades of this because I love this formula and I love both of the shades. I don't even know which one I like more. Let me know in the comments down below which shade you like better. But I mean, I guess I don't even have to choose because I have both of them, and I am so excited to have these in my collection. I am going to be wearing these all the time. I love how my lips look. I love how extremely, completely moisturized my dry lips are right now. Yay, I love this. I think this is just the perfect lip gloss formula. They really nailed it, in my opinion, with this product. It's, for $50, this is what I would expect and hope for. Like, seriously, an amazing, perfect formula, in my opinion. Well, I hope that I'll get some more products from this brand in Ipsy in the future because I am very impressed. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.